You won't find these egg rolls on any Chinese takeout menu. These egg rolls are special. I have a tablespoon of oil in here, 4 cloves of garlic, and 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger. I just want to get that sizzling a little bit. You see how that's sizzling? And then I'm going to throw in 8 ounces of baby spinach. And about a half a teaspoon of salt. This is going to cook fast. I'm just going to keep turning the spinach until it's all wilted. You can just smell that ginger and garlic in there. That really smells good. Now it's just wilted. And it's got to come out of the pan right away. I'm going to set this aside and let it cool. Now for the rest of the filling of the egg roll, we're going to use tofu. I have here 1 block of tofu. This firm tofu, not extra firm, but also not soft either. Just firm tofu. And I just blotted it with some paper towel just to get the excess water off. But I don't have to squeeze it. I want it to be a little bit like creamy. In there I'm also going to add 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. One tablespoon of soy sauce. 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. That's important because otherwise this mixture is going to be too watery. And again, just a half a teaspoon of salt. Going to process this till it's nice and smooth. Hey, that looks pretty smooth. I'm going to take this out and put it in this big bowl so I can mix in the spinach. Okay, this spinach still has a lot of water in it. You can see that it's pretty wet in there. So what I want to do is give it a little squeeze and put it on the cutting board and then give it a little chop. You can see all that water. I just want to roughly chop this. And then we're going to mix it right in with that filling. To shape these egg rolls, we start with these wrappers. These are egg roll wrappers. I found them in the supermarket, in the produce section, in the refrigerated part of the produce section. You can use whatever egg roll wrapper you want. I don't go with a particular brand. I'm just lucky that I found them in the produce section. If you don't, you have to make your own. Just find the recipe, make egg roll wrappers. Much better if you buy them. They just really are difficult to make. I place the egg roll wrapper like a diamond. And I give it a little bit of egg wash all over. I place a good, like this, about maybe a third of a cup of filling. I fold the tip of the diamond over the filling and keep brushing with egg, right? Because that's going to really seal it. I fold over one side, I fold over the other side. Okay, give it a little brush with egg and then roll it up. Roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. And there's your egg roll. Hey, you can try and bake these, but I really do prefer them fried. Get that nice crispy outside and the inside is a little creamy. I think that's really the best way. I take a little water on my finger. You see how that kind of bubbles like that? Kind of pops. That's good. That means that it's ready. And I can add my egg rolls. I like to add them that the seam side is down. That way it seals it pretty quickly. I'm doing 4 at a time here. If you have a bigger pan, you can do more. This is a small pan. I like to control it that way. I have about 1 inch of oil in there. I have it on medium heat, preheated, and it's cooking very nicely. Ooh, look at that color. I'm cooking these by color so that once they're brown on one side, I turn them over. I get them nice and brown on the other side, and then they're done. Check out that color. Hey, check out these beautiful egg rolls. But we're not done just yet. With these beautiful egg rolls, I can't serve these with duck sauce. I have to make a little special sauce for these beautiful egg rolls. I'm going to take some of that. This is kind of similar to duck sauce. It's a lot better quality though. It's sweet chili sauce. Sweet, it's a little sweet, and chili means a little spicy. It's like a sweet and spicy sauce. It's kind of like duck sauce. So I'm going to put about a half a cup of this inside the bowl, and then I'm going to add my secret ingredient. We'll put a little mustard, but not just any mustard. Grey Poupon. Excellent stuff. And we're going to put a tablespoon in there. That's going to spice it up a little more and give it some good character. Hey, this stuff is delicious. Mmm. Doesn't get better than that. Does not get better than that. Maybe with my kimchi fried rice. You gotta check out that video. It's excellent. And I'll see you there.